Keeping your log view open at all times, combined with other views, adds efficiency to your Blackbird experience. Doing this enables you to combine your source time data view with other views, such as source or edit story views, or timeline views, and the edit side log view. Follow these steps to enable this multi-view experience. Select the clip or edit you wish to use. Right-click and select Log Entries. Your clip or edit will open in your source viewer, highlighted with blue accents, and your log view will open. Use your logging methods of choice for log entries, or simply view an existing log. Notice that your timeline view remains open as well. Right-click to open the timeline view switcher and left-click and drag to move it to a convenient place on the screen. Left-clicking on the various source and edit views enables you to switch to any other view while your log remains open.